Okay, just wanted to let everybody know I just got done launching my website. It's going to have more of a blog style to it than anything else, but I've already added a little bit of content in there. Basically, some descriptions of what happened in between the videos that I have for the GS80 and the original home-built Z80 computer that I did before. But as you can see, it's got a very familiar theme. It's very similar to the way that my landing page for YouTube is. Of course, it's got the same graphic up here for that. But I've added a couple links in here. Link to my YouTube channel, of course, my Atari Age profile, and I also have a contact form here so that you can actually get on here and shoot me an email, and I can get back with you. Now, having said that, I'm going to be trying to update this on the regular, and of course I'm going to shoot videos that coincide with it. And if you have any comments or anything that you want to drop on this page, feel free, but do utilize it. If nothing else, it'll be a good spot just to have a little bit of commentary about the various different videos. And of course I also have to apologize. I'm dealing with a little bit of a cold that came on overnight. So you'll have to forgive me for that. But it is what it is. I'm suffering here. It's these Oklahoma allergies, I suppose. But in either case, check out the new website. If you like it, thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and hit the button below. And of course, comments are always welcome. Thanks, and have a great day.